Every day, we move towards the future. But who creates it? Who is capable of controlling its shape, direction, rhythm? Where everything is calculated, where every process is integrated into a single system. That's how Belsotra works. We're not just moving forward, we're designing the route. By managing the details today, we create a result we can be confident in tomorrow. The future doesn't arrive in an instant. It is built with every kilometer, decision, and action. We have been providing comprehensive logistics services in the market for 30 years. Cargo operations of any complexity, secure storage, customs clearance, door-to-door delivery. Every stage is well thought out. Every shipment is our responsibility. We use modern technologies, making working with cargo easier and more transparent. Trust begins with confidence, qualified specialists, proven technologies, and a full range of technical services. Our vehicles only set off after a thorough inspection at our own maintenance station. Belsotra, creating the future in partnership. Exactly in time.